Alright, you're gonna witness this firsthand, people. This video is gonna blow your mind. I'm gonna fuck with my bird. I've had him 14 years. I don't really feel too fucking good. But my bird is very grouchy, and he's an old fucking bird. And he's grumpy and set in his ways. Watch as I put my ass near his face and how grouchy he gets. He pecks at my ass and screams at me. Ow! Ow! Oh my god! Oh! Ow! 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 Jesus Christ! I'm trying to get a dish. Let me get my wallet right here. I just want to get my wallet. Ow! Ow! My fucking ass, Romeo! Stop it! You can't even go near there and get anything because he's grumpy right now. I gotta wait till he gets tired. He only goes in his bed at 10 o'clock. 15 more minutes he'll go in. And then you can put the cage up fast. 15 minutes.